Good evening. We're back with you here, and today we're going to talk about Lyman and the improvements on the Lyman 475 grain Forester Slug mold and also the 525 grain Sabo mold. So, backtracking just a little bit, we bought this 475 grain Forester slug mold from a reputable vendor, and it was a good buy, and it's new old stock, so we bought it, and it arrived, and it did not have the plug that goes up underneath here to make it work. So anyway, Lyman, like they always do, they always come through, you know, and it seems like we talk to the same people all the time there. But when it did arrive, it also came with an improved sprue plate besides the original, which has a larger diameter convex on it. And you know, they went way out for this. However, it did come with the wood knob, and well, not only that, but they only pin it from one side with a spiral nail. I dropped it. Who cares? But you know, you've got this knob rolling around here, and you know, you're in the heat of battle. You're casting slugs, and you know this is going to give out on you, being pinned from only one side, because the 525 grain plug was pinned from both sides with one pin. But the wood did eventually scorch. So here's what we did to remedy the 525 grain Lyman Sabo. Was we took a piece of round bar stock and I chucked it up into a lathe, and I spun it out, and I even knurled it, and then I pinned it with a roll pin. But you don't really have to go to all that involvement, and you may not even have a lathe. So also, here's my second one I did, and that's from casting bar stock like this, and I had to make the whole thing. This is a 210 grain Elmer Keith hollow point bullet. So I had to file all that out to make it work there. So you can do this. So here's my third one that I have made for the 475 grain Forester Slug. And you know, you want to be able to yank it out and set it down while you're casting, and you're not going to have this knob rolling around, and eventually, yes, it will roll off on the floor, and you don't want that. I've had it happen. So this is the remedy to the wood knob that is not going to hold out. I know this one would not last me 500 slugs. I know. I just know. Why not do this? And you could do that with whatever bar stock you have, a piece of aluminum, and maybe even a hunk of zinc bar stock. And the next video, I'm going to show you how to take a piece of this aluminum from a muffin tin that we poured, and we'll get it all contoured out to where it looks like this, to where you can yank it out, set it down in the same place every time for, well, economy of movement, you might say, where everything is in sync and you don't lose your cadence. Sometimes I wonder if maybe one of those metronomes might not help us with our casting. But anyway, give that some thought, and the next video you see will show you how to make this out of this. Bye for now. Have a nice day, and see you on our next video. Bye-bye.